Assalamualaikum. I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn about how to configure fail2ban in our Debian OS, as well as you can use it for your Ubuntu operating system. Fail2ban is a security application in Debian and other Linux distribution that protects against brute force attacks and other malicious activities by monitoring log files and automatically banning suspicious IP addresses. It works by scanning log files for pattern indicative of malicious activity like repeated failed login attempts, and then use the system's firewall like IP tables or NF tables to block those IPs. Fail2ban constantly monitors system logs, for example SSH logs, web server logs for unusual activity. Okay, now we implement it our server. First of all, we install it. Now we move for configuration. ls etc fail2ban. This is the file structure. Okay, we move it. First of all, we move it for backup. mb etc fail2ban jail.conf etc fail2ban jail.conf dot backup file. Okay, now vi etc fail2ban jail.conf. This is our default file. Now we configure as for our requirement. Okay, so we can use Vim or Nano. etc fail2ban jail.local. Okay, now we made it tfault default. bantime equal to 600, maxretry equal to 5, backend equal to systemd ban action block, and then we use sshd enabled equal to true, port ssh filter equal to sshd, log path var log auth.log maxretry equal to 5. Okay, now we save it. We remove additional space. Now we restart our service. Now we check it. Congratulations, it's running successfully it's running and system is ready. We check the connection. Fail2ban client -d. Okay, this is our status. We can check fail2ban client status also. Number of jails 1, jail list sshd, client list status sshd. Right now there is no ban IP. Now we check for ban and we will unban IP. Okay, now we check it. Now we can check the status. Okay, let's try. Successfully configure our fail2ban and we can check it now. Incorrect password and log is coming. Okay, now try again. Already banned, it's showing it is already banned. So successfully banned our IP. Now we check it. Sorry. Okay, good. Now it is banning our public IP. Total failed attempt 10. Okay, and action currently banned 1 IP. Total banned IP list. This is the IP. He failed to ban this IP. Okay, now we will unban this IP. Now we check again. Okay, now we unban this IP. Just simple this command sudo fail2ban client set sshd unban IP number 103.121.38.9. okay, now we check it again. This IP is already unbind. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And it's fully completed our purpose. If you have any query, please comment here. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. There are many tutorials available here. See you next time. Thank you.